Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to pay in Airbnb Philippines. So if you want to go ahead and pay for your Airbnb in Philippines, first things first that you need to do is to log in onto your Airbnb account. So as you can see, we're currently onto Airbnb already and we're currently logged in. So the next step for this is to choose a unit that you want to book. So for example, you want to go ahead and try to book this one. You'll just have to click onto that certain unit and then you'll get redirected onto its information page. Here on the information page, you'll have an option to reserve it or book this one. So we'll just have to click onto reserve in here so that we'll get redirected in here to the confirmation and payment method. Now scroll down further, you should be able to see the price details, and to pay for this, you should be able to see the different payment method that it offers. We have your Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, and GCash. So you'll just have to click onto this drop down to choose which one you would like to use. So for example, you want to use your credit or debit card, click onto that, add in your card number, expiration, or just fill in the details in here. Then right after, you'll have an option to confirm and pay. And that's just basically it on to paying in Airbnb Philippines. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you into our next video.